Today we're going to take some time to look at the various new features that have been added to the ComfyUI cloud-based platform. The Z image we worked with in Lesson 1 has been updated and now it's turbo. It's become turbo mode. That means we now have ultra-fast generation capabilities, so we can try it out together. The generation speed and size options are more diverse, and it seems to take about 3 to 5 seconds to generate. The results themselves are quite decent, produced at a very high quality. Now let's open a new window here, go into the templates on ComfyUI Cloud. If you look at all the templates, you'll see that about 4 new ones have been added at the top, and you can also see that the Click Omni Edit video feature has been newly introduced. There are features like changing references, and things like OBS images have been added as well. Now if you look here, let's first take a look at the images in this section. The OBS image and Z image turbo use ControlNet and ControlNet Canny to change the task like this, but right now, as you can see, a service error is appearing. I think they'll probably fix this. Normally, if you extract the preprocessor in ControlNet, the task should work, but it's not working right now. I think they'll address this issue. And then, if you look at OBS here as well, it is a text-to-image generation process, isn't it? If you carefully observe this particular display, you can clearly see that a significant service error message has popped up. We absolutely do not need to fix this ourselves. Instead, we will promptly ask the dedicated technical team about it. Since it is unequivocally a service error, our standard procedure typically involves resolving these specific kinds of underlying issues and then uploading the necessary corrective fix, usually. Yes, these are precisely the kinds of situations that frequently arise. That is indeed correct. Even though we set up the template, it seems like the Comfyer side couldn't predict these kinds of issues either, right? Anyway, let's skip over these and move straight to Z image. This is Z image turbo. Just click on it. With Z image turbo, it seems like the text prompt works in both English and Korean. So just press the run button right away and try generating an image. Next, what you should check are just the prompt and the ratio specifications first, right? You can check the size like this. Let's check the image that came out. It seems like realistic images are generated well. Next, I'll clear the prompt, and after pressing the run button, I'll try entering a natural sentence like an idol singing on stage. The boy idol comes out well, right? The speed also seems pretty decent. The results look good. Next, I'll test the size. Let's set the dimensions to 1980. I'll try 1024 by 1980. Oh, he made an X with his hands. Cute, right? Let's try it with a female idol this time. Great, the image came out well. Right-click to open the image, then save the image as a different name. I'll save it to the desktop. If you look here, there's a seed. We learned that you can also generate images by fixing the seed, right? Since we've learned how to work with fixed seeds, if you want to fix the seed when creating images, you can do it just like that. If the seed is fixed like this, you'll get the exact same image. Of course, if you want to create a new image, you can use randomize or something similar. Since we've learned how to work with fixed seeds, if you want to fix the seed when creating images, you can set the seed like that. When the seed is fixed like this, you'll get the exact same image. If you want to create a new image, of course, you need to change the seed using randomize or something similar. This concept, you just need to make sure you understand this concept. Next, let's open a new template and try creating a video directly from the template. For those who are just getting started, there's an image to video feature. Let's go in there and try making an idle group image into an idle video. We'll try making the idle move. For faster generation, I'll set the size to 720 by 1280, adjusting the aspect ratio accordingly. Next, although it doesn't actually sing, let's try entering a detailed Korean prompt like this, carefully crafting the input to ensure the desired outcome, and then proceed to create a brand new video. The video generation process has now been successfully completed, so let's take a moment to thoroughly examine the results. It appears to be singing quite well, with impressive synchronization and visual appeal. We've successfully created a simple yet engaging video. To download this newly generated video, simply locate and click on the prominent 3 dots icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select the download option to save it to your device. Content creation complete. Finished creating content, I'll open a new window and look through the templates. We'll explore more in the next part.